Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to grow aloe vera at home using a leaf. Aloe vera is a very useful plant for skin, hair, and health, and many people try to grow it at home. Before we start, it is important to know one thing. Aloe vera usually does not grow successfully from a leaf. Most of the time the leaf rots instead of forming roots, but I will share the best possible method. First, take a healthy and thick aloe vera leaf from a mature plant. Cut it cleanly from the base using a sharp knife. Do not use thin or damaged leaves. Now place the leaf in a dry and shaded place for 3 to 5 days. This step is very important because it helps the cut end dry and prevents rotting. After that, prepare well-draining soil. You can use garden soil mixed with sand and a little compost. Aloe vera does not like too much water. Insert the dried end of the leaf slightly into the soil. Do not bury it deeply. Keep the soil lightly moist, not wet. Place the pot in bright but indirect sunlight. Water only when the soil is completely dry. Now wait patiently for 3 to 4 weeks. Sometimes the leaf may rot and not grow roots. This is normal and happens very often. The best and most successful way to grow aloe vera is from baby plants, also called pups. These grow naturally near the base of the main plant and are very easy to plant. I hope this video helps you understand the right way to grow aloe vera at home. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.